viewers, welcome back. Today I'd like to continue our series of Vulnhub. The virtual machine would be InfoSecWarrior 2. I will add the link into the description section below so that you can download. Before we begin today's video, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate your help and support. So now let's just get started. To save time, I have already imported this virtual machine into the VirtualBox. Now we can go into the Kali Linux. And as you can see over here, I have already identified the IP address of the virtual machine as 254. And then I did the Nmap scanning, I did the scene scan, the version scan, and also the default script scan. And then, which is very important, I did the comprehensive scan or full range port scan by specifying the option of -p-. From the Nmap scanning results, as you can see over here, the two open ports. The first one is 22, which runs SSH surface and also the actual version information, including the exact version number. Of course, as we know, this version doesn't have any vulnerability, what we can exploit. And the next one is of course, this is a very big port number, 56563. So you must make sure you make comprehensive scan. Otherwise, you will not identify this big port number. And from the Nmap scanning results, as you can see, I think in the virtual machine there's some Python script running at the background. And yes, this please input number of a ping packet you want to send, and then the number, of course this is the string, and will be converted into the integer, okay, by the int function. Okay, I think now this is not HTTP surface, and then we can use the telnet to this port number. Which is 56563. And please input the number of a ping packet you want to send. For example, 2. Yeah, it seems that this script is to do the ping to the local host. Yeah, and so what we can do, maybe we can import. This is, of course, this is the Python script, and we can dynamically import the module, and then we can, by importing this module, we can get the shell. Okay, import, and the module, what we are going to import is OS module, and run the method system, and so run the command bin bash, and then we can get the bash shell, and we can cut the content of this file. Okay, my group password is this one, because this is the group password. At this point, we cannot figure out how to utilize this group password. Anyway, we go to the home directory. Yeah, from here we can know the 4 normal users in this virtual machine. So we can try a different user to log in via SSH. We can open up another tab. SSHCK and the IP address of the target. But we need to remove the existing key information first. Okay. Oh, we need to make a copy. Okay, and run again. Yes. Yeah. So from the banner information, we can know, please enumerate host name and the distro's code name of this box and try to get secure shell. Okay, and we can use the ulim, and also we can use the release. Yeah, from here we can know the code name is this one, Banic, and we can supply, and we can run the bash. Yeah, but we can run some command, although we have already within the shell. So maybe we can spawn another shell. So we can open up a new tab, InfoSec, and we can use the pentest monkey, the command, this one, and paste in here. We need to do some modifications. Yeah, we need to get the IP address of the Kali Linux, which is, and port number 555. And we can make a copy. But before we run this command, we need to set up the listener. And now we can go back the virtual machines or targets shell and run this command. Yeah, this time we can navigate to different directories, which is normal behavior, and we can sudo. Yeah, we can run this command. We can run all commands and then make natural movement to another user, blah, and we can specify the username as blah and run any command. Yeah, we have already, and then we can sudo again. Yeah, we can run the command unzip to get the root privilege. Of course, the final goal or objective is to get the root privilege and root shell. And we can go to the website of the GTF OBINS to get the instruction on how to make elevation using this command, unzip and sudo. Yeah, this is the steps we need to take to elevate our privilege. So we can copy, we just, to save time, make all required commands, and we do not need to remember so many commands. We just get help from this website. Okay? Yeah, no problem. And now we need to run this command. Yes, replace and run. Yeah, we think we have already, but you check the ID, we have already become the member of the root privilege, right? No, not. So what happened? Maybe I need to run again. sudo, yeah, and go to the root directory. We got the final flag here. Okay, so that's all I'd like to demonstrate in this video. I hope you can get a bit of information. Okay, so see you in the next time.